The P-Pop Icon Award is presented to SB19. Joining us on stage is the founder and chairman of P-Pop Music Awards, Mr. Yuan Kiblat. Because he has no idea, yes, that they will be receiving such a prestigious award. Josh, congratulations.
Nagsisiyar pa ako eh. Pero, una sa lahat, P-Pop! Yes, P-Pop Icon Award. Gusto ko na syempre mag-share ng story. Kasi, when I was 60 years old, pero when I was 60 years old, talagang parang na-inspire ako or na-fell in love ako with performing. Not to myself, pero dun sa mga pinapanood ko mag-perform ng mga artists, celebrities, and syempre visionaries. And na-realize ko, ang galing nitong ganitong concept. Yung natitell mo yung stories mo through art, performing, singing, dancing. Doon ako nakakita ng idea na, what if maging ganito ang Pilipinas? What if lumawak pa ang kultura ng culture and the arts natin? Kasi, alam nyo, I got an opportunity before to perform abroad, to represent the Philippines for another competition. At dun mas lumawak yung vision ko. Dun ko na-realize na, sana balang araw, maging katulad ng America, K-pop, J-pop, or alam niyo, just pop in general, pero on that level, yung Pilipinas. And kaya ako sinishare to because there were times na naalala ko yung mga unang sampa namin sa mga interviews sa TV. Ang tawag sa amin, Filipino K-pop. Ako, matigas ulo ko, sinasagot ko. Sabi ko, hindi po Filipino K-pop. Nag-isip ako ng closest word na pwede nating i-relate sa Philippine pop. So I said, P-pop. P-pop po kami. And of course, ngayon, P-pop has grown so much. There was this, actually, my good friend, recently nagkwentuhan kami. Then sabi niya, na parang napagkwentuhan namin yung, alam niyo yung The Greatest Showman? And did you know the song, A Million Dreams? Kasi similar na ni Hugh Jackman, feel ko, ganun ako. Parang pag may na-envision ako, baliw, masyadong mataas, ambitious. And meron doon, my favorite line was, a million dreams for a world we're gonna make. And right now, I feel like we're more than a million already. Diba? And yung million dreams na yun, sama-sama natin tutuparin. Para sa industry, para sa P-pop, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.